Everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to another episode of Platform App Builder Certification Series. So today's session will be very short one. So we're going to talk about the chatter. The chatter in Salesforce is very important. It's used for collaboration. If you wanted to collaborate with someone, right? Collaborate with the team, collaborate with your coworker. You can use that using Chatter. I'll demonstrate how to do that. It's a very simple functionality, but at the same time very powerful. So first thing first, you need to log into your org. If you do not have a free org, please register for one, right? So I've logged into my org, so this is what you see when you're logged into your org. Cool. So what we're gonna do, so we are in the setup, right? And I'll go to this tic-tac-toe icon, and I'm gonna go to Chatter. So this is, you'll see there's a Chatter object here, so click on Chatter. So let's say I wanted to send a message to one of my coworker. So I can say at the rate, this is how we type it, and notify person. So we have a test user, right? So can you please do the code. Okay, can you please complete the code review of Peter by tomorrow EOD? Yep, thanks. Okay, so this is the message I wanted to send it to one of the user test. Right, so I shared the message, right? I can see it. Now, let me log in as test to see how I get this message, right? So we're gonna go back to setup again, and then we're gonna go to users, and let me try to log in as a test. So that's what I'm trying to do. Log in as a user. There you are. You got a message here. You can see, right? Can you please complete yeah, sir. Mark. Certainly. I can't type at times. Certainly. Okay. I command. So you can actually do the other stuff as well. You can underline it if you wanted to. If you wanted to edit it and say, right, you can just wanted to put the smiley as well. You can just want to put smiley, right? You can do that as well. I mean, you can do a lot of options with that. It just so right, and then so let me log out as a test, and so yeah, so the mark will receive the message. So you can use this as a part of collaboration. It's very handy. It's a built-in functionality within the Salesforce. If you are using Salesforce to interact with your coworkers, for a specific deal or say a functionality, you can do that. You can invite a client as well. So it's a powerful option. I would highly encourage you to read it out. Go and read the documentation, what I meant. So you will find more information there. So this is a little bit about the Chatter I wanted to talk about, a very basic information. So we're gonna look at the Chatter administration in the next episode, right? So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about today. So yeah, this is a very small episode today. So greetings and adios from New Zealand. Take care.